Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to offer a free trial for your products in Salesforce, but weren't quite sure how to set it up in Revenue Cloud? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to dive deep into exactly that. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enable ramp deals, prepare your products to be compatible with free trials, and most importantly, create and configure ramp segments specifically for free trials. This is a game changer for businesses looking to boost their customer acquisition and provide flexible subscription options. So let's jump right in and learn how to unlock the power of free trials and revenues. Before watching this video, go back if you haven't and watch the how to set up ramp deals video that we've created. This will help make sure you can set up your products effectively for free trials. I've created a new product here with a few specific items. I've created a product selling model for a term-based yearly. I've also set up a product ramp segment based off that term-based yearly. Those are two crucial elements in setting up this product. Prior to that, make sure you've enabled ramp deals to even access the product ramp segments. So now, how do we enable free trials on the product ramp segments? All we need to do is come in here and add a new product ramp segment. There are two fields here, specifically for trial duration and duration type, that can be set. I'm going to go ahead and choose our term-based yearly product selling model. We're going to have a free trial. We're going to set the duration as days and the trial duration as 30. We'll go ahead and click save. And now we have a new product ramp segment. This then allows us to set up a quote and view this product in action. Hey, now let's see this free trial in action. I've added our free trial subscription product to this newly created quote. You can see we have a quantity and a price for the annual term from June 1st through May 31st of the following year. Following the video on ramp deals, we can see that now, since we've enabled ramp deals, we have a new option for ramp. Once we click ramp, we're going to be brought to our configured time-based ramp. There's going to be a new option for trials. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to a 24-month with a trial of 30 days. Again, you can set this up to be months if you want trial months rather than trial days. I'm going to go ahead and click generate. It's then going to create our specific line, which we can then see we have a free trial month, list price of $1,000, but a discount of 100%. I don't have instant pricing currently turned on, so you can see that we're not seeing the immediate changes to prices. We also see year one, which begins on 7/1 and ends a year later. And then lastly, we see year two, which begins on 7/1 and ends 11 months to help account for the trial duration. Let's say I want to have an additional or 25 months to be inclusive of the free trial. We'll regenerate those segments. And now we can see that we have our first month. And then we have our 2 years following to give us our final 25 months of contract with a month trial. I'll go ahead and click save. And similar to a ramp deal, we're only going to see our first year, or our first segment, which is going to be a free trial. So that's why we see a net unit price of $0. You can see here, exit out here, that we have 100% discount, and we're only seeing that first segment. The last element I want to show here is what the asset looks like once it has gone through and been ordered and assetized. We'll see that here we now have a quantity with specific segments. So our first trial, our first year, our second year, quantity isn't changing. So we can see that here. And because the term hasn't started, that's why we see a current quantity of 0. However, if we come over here to our monthly recurring revenue, we see a start date of 6/1, and then a start date for the next segment, which then gives us our monthly recurring revenue of roughly $80. And then we can see that persists over the years. So that is the demo of the free trial setup in Revenue Cloud. You've successfully learned how to set up free trials in Salesforce Revenue Cloud by leveraging the power of ramp deals and product ramp segments. This functionality opens up so many possibilities for enticing new customers and providing flexible subscription options. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth Salesforce tutorials and Revenue Cloud insights. If you've got any questions about setting up free trials or anything related to Revenue Cloud, please drop those questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and we'll do our best to answer every single question. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.